Hello friends, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing perfectly fine wherever you are. Today my husband wants to buy some fitness equipment, so I'm taking you to a sports shop. It is a French sports shop in Netherlands. As I told you, Netherlands is at our border, so it is only a 20-minute drive from our home, and we are going to today there, and you I will show you around how this shop looks like. It is called Decathlon, as I told you. It is a French shop, and it has so many type of things available here. Everything from fitness equipment, or even from the horse riding things, camping, shoes, sports clothes, swimming clothes, cycles, hiking, trekking, everything under the earth, what you call it, outdoor activities or indoor activities, to keep, which you can term as a like sporting activity. All things are available in that shop. It is a very big market, and prices are also reasonable, and it is very near to our home as compared to the German shop. So we are going there to buy the things. In Germany also there are variety of sports shops which I found a little bit expensive side, which are near to home. They are expensive a bit, so we go there Netherlands. And actually more varieties available in Decathlon as compared to other shops, and everything is under one roof. So from my children to my husband or to me, everything is available under one shop. That is why we prefer going to Decathlon. So this area is actually a very big shopping area for a variety of things. Like in front you can see a very big hotel, and then there is also a big shops, as you can see on that orange shop, this Hornbach. It is that very big market for purchasing renovation house material things. And there is also this red border building is for storage, if you want to buy some storage capacity, to store your big furniture and thing, you can tell them here. So this is the inside of the shop, and as you can see treadmill here, gloves here, dumbbells here, everything is available. It is very big shop, and its layout is also very good, means there is enough ample space to move around. There were not many people, and the thing is, in Netherlands masks are not needed, so we take care that we don't go into the shops which are crowded, so that it doesn't affect us, just as a precautionary. They don't allow so many people as such in the supermarket anyhow. They keep a tab, they control how many people can enter the shop, but still for safety side we go only to those shops where it is not crowded. And these are the cycling, all the t-shirts for the cycling. Here people wear special clothes for cycling. They will not wear any cloth. They will have special padded pants, because if they are going for long ride on the bicycle, then they should have protective clothing. So winter clothing for hiking, sports shoes for table tennis or badminton, skateboards, scooters. In fact, we bought our cycles from this shop. Whenever we need something for our sports activity or some fitness activity, we come here to buy these, because prices are reasonable. There is lots of choices available. So this is the outside of the shop. As you can see, there is such a big parking place here, and its parking is also free. And there is also stadium here. There are variety of shops available, and all shops offer things at reasonable prices. There are cafeteria, there is subway, hotels. Shopping is actually very convenient in Netherlands. If you like today's shopping vlog, please hit the like button, share it with your family and friends, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay blessed. Bye bye.